The fifth lesson in this topic is to use estimation to place the first digit of the quotient. You guys are already starting to be pretty good at this. So this says, will the quotient 7,825 divided by 25 be greater than 100 or less than 100? And how do you know? Well, first let's write out our problem. 7,825 divided by 25. They're basically asking, is it going to be over 100 or less than 100? And you know that 25 won't go into 7, but it will go into 78. Think quarters. 25 times 3 is 75. Okay, subtracting you have 3. You don't have to work out the rest of the problem. They want to know if it'll be greater or less than 100. Well, this 3 is in the hundreds column, meaning you will have to at least have 300. So the answer would be it'll be more than 300. Continuing on. Without completing the division, tell in which place to write the first digit of the quotient. Once again, pretty simple. You know 18 will not go into 6, but it will go into 60. So the first digit, or the first place that you're going to write the first digit, is in the hundreds place, which is where you will find the first 0. Without completing the division, shade a box to show the placement of the first digit of the quotient. Well, 50 will not go into 1, and it won't go into 15, but it will go into 157. So we're going to shade the box in the tens place because that's the first place, where the first digit of the answer or quotient would go. Your iStep Plus question says, in which place should you write the first digit of the quotient 5,075 divided by 38? How can you determine that without using division? Well, let's just write it out. I'm going to write on the green because my yellow shows up better there. And I'm going to divide by 38. Okay. Without really even doing the division, you know that 38 is not going into 5, but it can go into 50. So you know that it's going to go into the hundreds place. Go ahead and look for your assignment in the next box on your blend space.